Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Unit 2 War and Peace. Today we are going to teach the Battle of Panipat. Open your book on page number 44. Here is the Battle of Panipat in 15,026. Non-fiction. Non-fiction mean writing based on true events. Writing based on true events. Come on, paragraph 1. After having subdued mean maghloob. After having subdued Lahore, once more Babur and his army marched on the capital Delhi in order to subjugate mean mahkoom, Sultan Ibrahim Lodi once and for all. On reaching the village of Panipat in plain north of Delhi, Babur organized मुनज़्ज़म किया his forces. He quickly noticed his inferiority mean कमी in numbers, यानी तादाद में कम थे. He had probably mean शायद. He had probably only about 15,000 men, of whom only about half were fit for attack. On the other hand, Babur was a skillful strategist. Strategist mean hikmat amli, and he had learned valuable tactical lessons. Tactical mean harbe. Tactical lessons in course of his numerous mean beshumar battles with the Uzbeks. Now come on next paragraph. Moreover, he had at his side to attack two talented Turkish gunners who had mastered the art of using cannons in warfare. Jang, cannons, to. The cannons are mounted. Mount mean nasab kiye gaye. Mounted gun was a weapon. Weapon mean हथियार. Well known in Europe में जो ये जाने जाते थे. Well known. अच्छी तरह यानी फेमस थे ये. But not on the subcontinent. Subcontinent mean बर-ए-आज़म एशिया. बर-ए-आज़म में ये फेमस नहीं थे at this time. उस time when an army's strength was in its archers. Archers mean students तीर अंदाज. Babur was very interested in firearms and artillery. Artillery mean तोपखाने. Artillery mean तोपखाने. Artillery and used to supervise mean निगरानी करना, रहनुमाई करना. They are casting. He gave the order for all the carts, even 700 of them, to be tied together with rawhide rope to form a large defense formation. The matchlock men and the cannons, protected by mantlet shields, took up positions between the carts. Behind them there were cavalry. Cavalry means students घड़सवार. Cavalry mean घड़सवार and archers तीर अंदाज. Now come on next page number 45. Ibrahim Lodi, however, hesitated. Hesitated mean हिचकिचाना. To fight despite बावजूद his 1 lakh men and his many hundred of elephants, in order to incite his enemy to attack. Incite mean उभारना, इश्ताल दिलाना. Babur sent his soldiers by night to harass Ibrahim Lodi's forces. On the morning of 21st April 15,026, the exasperated Ibrahim. Exasperated mean इश्ताल दिलाना. Ibrahim finally started the assault. Assault mean हमला करना. Assault हमला करना. He forced Babur's right wing back, but his own army was swiftly overwhelmed by the cannon fire and by the matchlock men drawn up in the center. Terrorized mean dahshatzada by the noise of the gunfire, The elephants stampeded, making any further attack impossible. Ibrahim's forces were quickly encircled and destroyed. Destroyed means तबाह हो गई by Babar's cavalrymen and archers, घोड़ासवार और archers तीरंदाज. Now come on next paragraph by Midley. By Midley his camp was destroyed, although his body was not found until later. He was decapitated. Decapitated mean कत्ल कर दिया गया. And the head was brought to Babur as mark of respect to the dead Sultan. Babur later had a monument erected. Erected mean खड़ा किया. Erected on the spot where he fell. Very quickly after the battle, Babur became preoccupied. Preoccupied mean पहले से कब्जा किया गया. Preoccupied mean पहले से कब्जा किया गया. With protecting the treasures. Treasures mean खजाना of Delhi and Agra from pillage. Pillage mean loot मार. By his own Victorian troops, फौजी दस्ते. He sent Humayun, his son, who was only 17 years old, to Agra, whilst he himself marched on Delhi, where he had prayers read in his name in the great mosque, thereby proclaiming himself Buddhist or emperor of Hindustan. Now come on last paragraph. At Agra, Babur was greeted by Humayun, who presented the Conqueror mean Fateh with a magnificent diamond called the Kohinoor. The ruling family of Gwalior had given to Humayun, and Babur recorded that a gem collector estimated its worth as the whole world's expenditure. Expenditures mean students kharcha, ikhrajat for half a day. Babur immediately mean foreign refused this rich gift and offered it to the one who wanted to give it to him, Humayun. Here is vocabulary. Match the words from the text in the left hand column to their definitions in the right hand column. First word is subjugate. Subjugate mean provoke or rouse. Next, strategist. Strategist mean careful, planner. Next is talented. Talented mean gifted, insight, pester and annoying. Next is harass. And next, tempted. And last one, pillage. Pillage mean looting and plundering. You have to match and find out the meanings, and you have to learn the meanings of these words. Now we will do question answers that are on page number 44. Reading for interpretations. You have to write question from here. First question answer is he was reluctant because he feared that he will be defeated. Second question answer is he refused to accept the gift to show his fatherly love and awarding to his son for performing. Here is not ER. Performing. And third question answer is in grave crisis and heat of battle he was calm and resourceful. He knew the art of using several tactics and strategies in war. As a diplomat, maintained a balance among his Mughal, Afghan and Indian nobles. Students, now we will do question answers of Christmas story that are on page number 44. You have to write question from here on page number 44. First question answer is, page number 40, not 44, page number 40. Christmas stories, question answers. First question answer is the significance of the white flag was Happy Christmas, Tommy, Happy Christmas. And second question answer is the color of the German and British uniforms were grey and khaki coats. And third question answer is Jim told the man, keep your heads down, it is a trick. And the fourth question answer is one of the German was waving something above his head. And fifth question, it is a Christmas day, Tommy. Fifth question answer is Jim did not stop his men walking out into no man's land because they have not a rifle between them and they were all making peace. Question, and this one is answers. Rest of the questions you have to do from the story. On next page, page number 41, here is fill in the blanks. You have to do this one. First is you must stand up for what you believe. Stand up. And second is stand back. The policeman ordered the crowd which was pressing forward. And the third one is Private Morris, you were told to stand too. Why then do I find you dozing? And the fourth one, the presidential candidate was forced to stand down when he became seriously ill during the campaign process. And the next is an ambulance was standing by. And this last one is Brussels agreed to stand in. You have to do this, fill in the blanks also. Now note on your homework, you have to read page number 44 and 45 2 or 3 times, learn the meaning of the difficult word, and you have to do fill in the blanks that are data from Christmas story page number 41, and you have to write and learn the question answer. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.